Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle, make 15 eggs at once, healthy eco nonstick coating, hassle-free cleanup, large submersible cooking surface, 12 inches by 22 inches. XL Electric Griddle. This hard-working extra-large griddle features a 1500-watt heating system, cool touch handles and a base with a built-in ledge with backstop for easy pancake flipping. The removable probe with easy-to-use dial allows for precise temperature control. Durable and efficient, the unique ceramic nonstick coating is 8 times more durable and cooks up to 30% faster than standard nonstick coatings. It's reinforced with titanium for outstanding strength and scratch resistance. Nonstick cooking. This griddle's healthy eco coating contains no harmful chemicals like lead and cadmium. Its titanium ceramic coating offers superior food release, making this a true nonstick surface. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles and juice. Thanks for watching and subscribe.